Alright, so as you can see, the weather is absolute crap out there, but I've got a plan. I've only got a weed here because I've got to weed before I put the pine bark down in the front of this garden. So I'm going to build myself a little tent. I've got a few old bits of wood, got a tarp. I'm going to build the tent and I'm going to sit under it in the rain and weed. Hopefully it works. I'll give it a shot. Right, so I've made my little tent. I'm under it. I've got to weed all this, get all this grass out of here, ready for the pine bark. I must admit, it's not the best of tents. Put a post up in there, but it is keeping me dry, and it can work. So I guess it's a success. Now I'm just going to weed all the ground and just move it along. The main thing is staying as dry as possible. Definitely not comfort, but like I said, I'm here to do the job. I don't really just not get drenched. That's the main thing. Anyway, I'll get to it. There she is. I just saw a chart from this angle. Took me about 5 minutes to set up. That's where I'm going to be working in under there. Then I'll move the post this end. But yeah, like I said, I can work. Anyway, get out of the rain and get in there. So yeah, making some progress. The weather hasn't changed, but yeah, I'll be here for 2 hours. So I'll run out of battery power, so hopefully I can get an after shot. Alright, half hour later, my little tent fell down once. Apart from that, I'm all good. Still got a fair bit to go, about a bucket full. Back to work. Now it's too wet to film after this, but I went and put a coat on just to help with warmth, and yeah, get to it. Okay, look at how wet I am. See how much it's raining out there. No, that was too much. That is some serious heavy weather coming in there. My bloody tent fell down. The wind picked up, that's why. But I got a fair bit done, but that was pushing the limits, that really was. I'm absolutely soaking wet. I filled up 2 buckets full of dirt, muddy, dirty crap, and then once that water started hitting the soil, once the tent blew down, it all got muddy and slippery. It was just a nightmare. But yeah, I've definitely got something figured out there with that tent idea, but I've got probably got to make it so I've got big high poles and a bigger tarp. And because the wind's so strong, actually I don't think anything could have held up to that, to be honest. You can see the trees out, well you can't actually, it's just too bloody crap out there. It's anyway, had a go at it, got drenched, now I'm going home. That rain is coming off that roof side on, I swear to God. I think I might be in a hurricane actually. Let me just put these windscreen wipers on, put the bloody put this on. It is getting a bit late, it's 5 o'clock at night, but yeah, you can see it now. See the rain's coming in sideways, so my little tent idea didn't quite work because it didn't have any sides on it. That's why. Maybe if I had a few sides I could have got away with it, but yeah, you can see what I'm talking about. The wind's side on. She's not like just a little drizzle, she's full on out there. And anyway, you do what you can, right? Looks like I definitely attempted something I couldn't. But that's the way it goes. Oh well, you can't win them all. Might as well film my way out of the world's longest driveway, as I call it. And today it's actually the world's wettest driveway too. That weather is horrendous. It's coming sideways. I got in have a go, but some weather's so bad, especially when the rain goes sideways, you just can't do it. It was a fail. I had a fair old crack at it though. Got a fair bit done, but it just got too messy. Just way too messy in there. So anyway, that's the way she goes. I work in all weathers, but obviously I shouldn't say that, because there are some weathers that I just don't work in, and this is one of them. It's dark, it's gloomy, the rain's coming down heavy, and it's sideways winds. So, and we got big puddles forming. So yeah, she's not a good day for gardening, that's for sure. So I'll get to it.